this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Coinbase to Robinhood. So we're going to start from our Robinhood app, and in here we're going to click on Receive. And in here you need to select the crypto that you want to send, and in this tutorial that is Solana. So let's click on Solana in here. And right now you can either scan the QR code or you can copy the wallet address down below to your clipboard. And this is the wallet address that we need to insert in Coinbase. So let's go over to Coinbase now. So in our Coinbase app, we're going to click on Transfer at the bottom right. And in here, we're going to click on Send Crypto. After that, you need to paste in the wallet address from Robinhood into here. So after you do that, you click on this little wallet thing just down below. Right now, select Solana, enter the amount you want to send and click on Preview. Due to EU regulations, I need to fill in some extra details. So I'm going to click on Exchange, search for Robinhood and select this. Click the box Sending to myself if you are so, and otherwise fill in the recipient's full name and the recipient's country of residence, and after click on Continue. Click on Send Now if to finalize this transfer, and as you can see, the transfer has been sent, so we can now click on Done, and then we can check in our Robinhood app if the transfer has made final. So at the top, I see that my transfer is complete, so that is how you transfer Solana from Coinbase to Robinhood. Thank you for watching and subscribe to my YouTube channel.